This month, New Tech Press goes to Scotland, land of kilts, scotch, bagpipes, haggis, and some of the most innovative technology you've ever seen. This report looks at...
This is Lou Covey, Editorial Director of New Tech Press, reporting in Edinburgh, Scotland. We're continuing our series of interviews with technology innovators coming out of Scottish Development International, the University of Edinburgh, and ITI. Today we're meeting with Stuart Bain, the CEO of DesignLED, that's making a revolutionary form of LED for television backlights and for industrial lighting. Stuart, what does DesignLED do?
DesignLED is primarily a technology company, and we have no manufacturing of our own, and we have an outsourced or a licensed manufacturing model. The technology that we have allows design engineers in electronics industry, in automotive industry, and in medical device industry sectors to design in very thin, very flexible panels or points of illumination.
Okay, so in other words, for like having lighting in a room.
That's one potential application, yes. You can have either a large format panels, the technology is scalable, so it can be as small as say 25 millimeters square, but it could scale to the size of the wall if you so wanted.
You have an entire wall as a light.
You can, yeah.
That's very fascinating.
You just now stole one of our applications as well.
So what is it that you're actually replacing?
Okay, today we're talking specifically about the LCD television market. Mm-hmm. Everybody knows that the LCD TV market has provided us with some extremely thin replacement TVs for cathode ray tube televisions. The DesignLED technology allows you to replace the CCFL lamps from behind the TV with a very thin 10 millimeters flat panel of illumination where the light is submitted to the backlight unit from the edges rather than directly from behind.
That sounds like it would be something that would reduce power consumption for LCD.
It does. Standard TVs in the market today will probably use in the region of about 200 watts of power per unit, and the DesignLED technology would allow that to reduce to almost 100, depending on size, obviously.
So cut the power consumption in half.
Exactly.
All right. And when could this go into production?
Our business plan for this takes production in Q1 of 2010, although ramp doesn't take place until Q3 of 2010.
And who are the potential customers that you might be going after?
It's quite interesting that the existing customers are probably today our existing competitors. There are 5 main players in the market, and between them they control over 92% of that particular segment in backlight technology. And they are people like Samsung, Chengmei, or CMO as they're known, Sharp, and a few other people like that.
Are there applications for, say, automotive or portable design?
Yeah, we have other applications of our technology that are specifically for interior lighting and animation within your car, and in switching and illuminated interfaces to machines.
Okay, and what's the potential market for this?
We have to break it down, and the potential market that we're talking about today for the LCD television, for the backlight units, we estimate, looking at a very small sector of that, which is 40 to 49 inch TVs, to be in the region of about £4.95 billion.
Just for televisions alone?
Just for televisions alone.
That's a huge market. What's your next step? Okay,
our next step is to conclude the business plan and to go to market to raise in the region of £3 to £4 million in 2009 to facilitate the launch of the company in January of next year.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Stuart. This has been Lou Covey with New Tech Press. Thanks for listening. This New Tech Press report has been brought to you by Scottish Development International and ITI Tech Media and DMB Associates of Scottsdale, Arizona.